So these are the course highlights. You'll be learning deep learning, NLP, time series, Spark, image processing, deep learning one project, image processing one project, image processing and deep learning one project. Every topic has one project, right? Time series one project, NLP one project, total 6 projects you will be getting. And what else you will be understanding? There are some libraries called PyTorch and Keras in depth, right? PyTorch and Keras. What is tensor? What is PyTorch? Very detailed PyTorch and Keras. And NLP, you will be learning libraries like NLTK, Gensim, web scraping, web crawling, Selenium, Beautiful Soup, right? Spassy library, right? Followed by Spark. And image processing you will be learning using a library called OpenCV. What is image smoothing, blurring, transformation? If the data is image data, how to handle that, right? These are the course highlights. The duration of this course is 1.5 month. The duration of this course is 1.5 month. Everyday class is there, Monday to Saturday, right? Monday to Saturday, everyday class is there. And the timing will be 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, right? 9:30 a.m. IST every day, right? Monday to Saturday. So this is the course duration and this is the kind of content at high level. I'll show you in detail. Who can enroll for this course? Anybody can enroll for this course who has Python knowledge. If you don't have Python knowledge, 7 a.m. morning you can connect. We have data analyst batch which is starting fresh. There I can teach you Python from scratch. But if you know Python basics, I'm not expecting to complete the entire Python syllabus, right? Like object oriented concepts and all. At least basic Python, how to write a function, how if else, for loop and so on. If you know that, then you are eligible for this course. Another common question that I answered yesterday's classes, let's say I don't know machine learning, I don't know statistics, I have not completed the part 1, right, where we in part 1 we do complete ML and statistics. Can I enroll for this course? Answer is yes, you can enroll for this course even though you don't have any knowledge in ML and statistics. So if you want to become a data scientist, this 3-month course you need to finish. This 3-month course, what we are going to cover is, this course is 1.5 month and there is another course 1.5 month, which is from level 0. So considering you have no idea, first we'll discuss about Python, pandas, visualization, statistics and machine learning. That is part 1. And part 2 is deep learning, NLP, time series, Spark and image processing. Combined together in 3 months, you can find yourself from level 0 to you can write at least in the part 1 course you'll be getting 3 projects in detail, 3 to 4 projects, major projects. Along with that, 3-4 small projects will be getting, each algorithm again one small project, but 4 major projects will be getting. So in total 8 to 10 projects will be getting in this 3 months. So it'll be very expert. Level 0 to you can jump into 3 years experience in data science and you are ready for interview. Any interview you can actually go for, right? So in the evening 8:30 p.m. batch, Python is already completed. We are in visualization. Anybody wants to learn only machine learning, and skip the Python part, because you know you can join 8:30 p.m. evening for machine learning, and morning anyway if you are joining you'll be learning all of this, right? So, or you can complete this course first and then go for the first course, or you can skip the first course. Like how you want to take it, you can take it according to your convenience. But this is what is required. Everything is required, nothing advanced, nothing intermediate. On the basis of topic, I have divided the courses. It is advanced because as compared to machine learning and statistics, understanding deep learning and NLP data is difficult. That's why maybe termed as advanced. But actually, based on topic, I have divided the course, right? So these are course highlights. At high level, I told you everything. I think you all have the content with you. If not, let me share the content right now. So I will not go through the content again in detail because already we have done that exercise yesterday, right? So this is the content for advanced. So you can see module 1 is deep learning. Starting first module will be discussing about what is tensor, what is linear algebra, what is vector operation, what is GPU, how to write linear algebra operations, like how to find a derivative using PyTorch, right? Tensors, what is derivative, what is matrix multiplication, how to write all of this linear algebra code using GPU and CPU support using PyTorch, right? And then there is an assignment. That's the I'm just preparing you for the course. Before we jump into machine learning, it is important that you know the math concepts. What is gradient, what is derivative, what is cost function, what is linear algebra, how to perform linear algebra using PyTorch, right? What is tensor? All of these things you will be learning. Then image processing. Image processing is important to understand, because here the agenda for part 2 is to make you very expert handling unstructured data. Unstructured means text data, video data, image data. To handle image data, you need to understand a bit of image processing. But we are covering many topics like computer vision, why it is hard, what all are the challenges in computer vision, right? Color space, converting color space one to another, scaling, resizing, interpolation, data augmentation, uh, blurring an image, thresholding, smoothing image, convolution, image filtering, morphological transformation, dilation, and all that, followed by time series. The third module is time series. Again, these are, we are just preparing. One kind of data is tensor. We have to understand math. Then to handle image data, we need to understand image processing. To handle time series data, we need to understand time series. So here I am covering the time series basics, like time shifting, resampling, rolling, expanding, what is trend, what is seasonality, what is stationarity, what is ETS decomposition. Now, once module 4 is done, you are ready for the course, right? You are ready for the course. From module 5 onwards, the real course starts from deep learning. So the first algorithm is ANN. Will be completing in detail. You can see every topic is written clearly, followed by project 1, where we'll be predicting the fuel price. It's a regression project using PyTorch from scratch. Every algorithm has one project. And then the second algorithm is CNN, convolution neural network. I don't want to read through detail. You can go through that. So module 7 is CNN, right? After you complete CNN, we'll be doing one project, X-ray classification. We have 2000 to 3000 X-ray images. We have X-ray data, X-ray image, right? Looking at X-ray image, if you show your X-ray image to the doctor can tell you whether you have pneumonia or not. Now this time the AI model will do that, right? We'll apply image processing so that the X-ray module will, sorry, the AI module will tell us, looking at the X-ray image, whether pneumonia is there or not. That's the second project. Third project is RNN and LSTM. Again, two algorithm from deep learning. We'll discuss the theory in detail, and then project, third project. Third project is time series project. So we'll be implementing RNN LSTM time series model to build a forecasting model which can predict what will be the 2020 quarter one, 21 quarter one number of cases, right, in India for each state that we will do. But this time we'll be using Keras for image processing, like CNN, RNN, LSTM will be implementing Keras, so that you will get flavor of both libraries, PyTorch and Keras. So once this is done, after module 10, your deep learning is completed. From module 11 onwards, NLP is starting, right? NLP will be learning web scraping, web crawling, beautiful soup, selenium, regular expression, finding patterns from the data, right? Text data, how to pre-process your text data. It has a separate pre-processing technique that we will learn. And then followed by, once we complete the text processing, we're learning TF, IDF, count, vectorizer. Fourth project we'll be doing, that is sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis will be collecting data, we'll be cleaning our data, building a classifier, which will take reviews and tell us whether that is a positive review or negative review. That's the another project from NLP. Then we'll start Spark. Again, installation, we'll understand about AWS a bit, how to install Spark in cloud. We'll understand how to create clusters in cloud, how to create instances, and then how to set up your, I will tell you both mode, local mode and cloud mode. Integrate Jupyter with Spark, and then we'll write our PySpark code. Understand the architecture first, like Spark, Advantage, architecture, why Spark is fault tolerant, RDD, lazy evaluation, actions, transformation, followed by Spark data frame, SQL, and Spark ML module. So the last module is recommendation engine. I will not, this is linear regression. Last project from Spark is building a recommendation engine. So if you have joined my intermediate, you will be very expert in machine learning. Recommendation is again a part of machine learning. So you will understand collaborative filtering algorithm, alternate least square ALS, and building a recommendation engine on Spark. So this is the content. The duration is 1.5 months. Everyday class is there. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So this is what is from my side. Any doubt? We are all good, or you have any doubt, you want to ask something? I think most of the questions yesterday I have answered. If you have any specific questions to ask regarding anything, course content or anything, you can ask. We are all good. So I just like I am little kind of fast today because yesterday I already explained all of this thing. I just want to give you a brief about what we have covered yesterday, right? So if you have doubts like what is artificial intelligence, what is data science, right? Uh, where you can see yourself, can you do a career transition after taking this course? You have 10 years of experience in one domain and now you want to change to data science. How difficult it is? What is the market scope? What are the different salary expectation? So all of these kind of answers I have given in yesterday's recording. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Any queries anybody has? I think for others who joined today newly, like Monica, Raju, Amar.
No, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. This side Amarnath. Actually, already I have attended your study classes, so I have no doubt. Only
Okay.
doubt is fee related. I will discuss with Durga Soft.
Yeah.
Actually, you said yesterday I have completed Python, so that
Mhm.
it is good for me or not. This batch or not. But you told me that Python is required, and it is good batch for me. But you told me for me only machine learning I have to attend on 8:30 p.m. batches. Okay. For that,
Yeah.
how much amount I have to pay for machine learning apart from this? This is my
Uh,
confusion.
so I will talk to you, Amar. Maybe offline we can discuss. Or I
Yes.
will talk with institute. You institute can I'll directly talk with institute. They will reach out to you.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
You want to learn only machine learning, right? In the evening batch. I will talk with them.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Yeah. Actually, already I have done Python classes by Durga sir,
No problem.
and
Yeah,
I
yesterday
have
you
paid.
sent me that.
I have
Yeah.
paid money for that,
No
so that.
problem. We'll discuss that. Yeah, yeah, sure. I will talk with the institute. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other queries anybody has? Monica, Raju, Vishnu.
Yeah, yesterday I have enrolled for both intermediate and this advanced. So yesterday at
Okay.
night I joined that class.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. So yes, Vishnu, yeah. So if you have any kind of queries, right, I can like you take the recordings and I can help you. If you have any doubt, one class or two class, I can arrange only for you, so that if you have any doubt, right, you can ask me.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So first, I will request you to go through the recordings first to understand, right? And then if you have any doubt, let us connect next weekend, because this weekend I think you will take time, right, to understand the concepts. And no
Yeah.
worries, like if you want to repeat those Python concepts in the data analyst batch again, you are welcome. You can do that. Okay, from scratch live you can attend.
Okay.
Okay, like if you all are good, then like let's connect on Monday, and let's continue from the content, right? The installation part we will do on Monday. Raju and Monica, you have any doubt, or you are good? Any content related doubt or anything? Is this your first class or you attended yesterday? I think he's in mute. Okay, no problem. So let's connect on Monday. I don't have anything else to kind of share. The same thing what I said yesterday. I think if you have any doubt, please see yesterday's recording. Otherwise, we are good. From this Monday onwards, we'll be starting with installation part. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.